Hi, it's Jason at Model Kit Stuff. Welcome. Just a little video to pre-announce a buddy build that's coming along. Now, I did touch on this in my monthly catch-up, but this is formally us announcing our intentions and letting you know what the plan is so that you, if you're interested, can start planning too. So my good friend Rob at Rims Models and myself have been for a little while talking about this. So our plan is to launch a buddy build based around commercial vehicles on the 1st of March. So neither Rob or myself have ever done a buddy build before, or at least never run one. I've been involved in one last year, but we've never run one. We've never sort of got that deeply into buddy builds, but we thought it would be something a little bit different. So we put our heads together and we came up with the idea of a commercial vehicle build. And the reason that I think we settled on commercial vehicles was it was quite different to what a lot of people are putting out in our orbit of YouTube modelers most of the time. And we both have an interest in vehicles one way or another, and it gives you an excuse to do something a little bit different and for the channel to have something a little bit different. So let's talk about some of the rules. There ain't many, so this will be quick. The rule is the buddy build has to be a commercial vehicle. So that doesn't exclude military vehicles, but they have to be in their civilian guise. So you could take a German wartime truck and put it in a post-war paint with a delivery van livery or something like that, and that would be perfectly acceptable. It doesn't have to be a delivery vehicle. It can be anything that's a commercial vehicle, like this fire tender, for example, or a tanker or a lorry, or something that's used by an airfield, like you could build a Willys Jeep in airfield maintenance guys or something like that, but it has to be a non-military application. That is pretty much the only rule. So when we say vehicle, we sort of intend it to be a lorry or a van or a car or something like that. But you know what, if someone comes to me and says, well, I really want to do an American stagecoach and wagon and horses, yeah, it's fine, absolutely, it's a vehicle. So that the buddy build is commercial vehicle. It will launch on the 1st of March, and we will run it for 8 weeks. So we'll complete, or thereabouts, we'll complete it at the end of April. The reason we're giving 8 weeks or 2 months is to allow people to fit it in around other projects that they might already have. So we're making you aware now because we want to give you some time to have a look through your stash and make a decision, or maybe add to your stash in readiness, so that we can all hit the button and get going on the 1st of March. I will put another reminder in. I'm probably going to mention it in the next catch-up as well, in case someone's missed the video. I will let Rob announce what he intends to build when he is ready, and he might not formally announce that until a bit nearer the date, I suspect. For me, I'm between two, which are these two here. Let's just talk about the pros and cons and what my thought process is. So the first one is the Mini Art Type 170V Mercedes Lieferwagen as a delivery van. There's a number of options. I think we've got cardboard boxes and stuff to go with it. So I quite fancy doing a delivery van. I'm not sure I've ever made a delivery van before. Downside of doing this is last year we did the 170V as a saloon, the little red and cream one. So it's not dissimilar, certainly from the doors that way, it's identical. So it's not massively different to something I've done fairly recently. So that's why I'm umming and ahhing on this. My other option, and I suspect it's what we're going to go with, is this fire truck, German light fire truck. In terms of paint schemes, are a bit more limited. It's red, or is it green or black or something like that. If I'm building this, I'm going to build it in red quite clearly. It's perhaps a simpler kit than the Mini Art kit, but it's got a little trailer. It looks quite nice. I haven't built a fire engine for ages. In fact, the last fire engine that I built was a summer project with my girls, which was the old Airfix Christie fire engine. So I haven't done a fire engine for a little while. We've certainly not done one on the channel. It's something quite different. So I suspect I'm going to do that, but I'm not absolutely 100% decided as of yet. So yeah, those are my two options. When I have decided, I'll put another video out, probably next month, to remind people of the dates and that we're doing this. So it's a buddy build. We would love you guys to get involved. So if you've got a channel, please by all means get involved, build something on your channel. Put a little link on the announcement day. We'll ask you to put a little link in the comments so that people can find your builds and find your channel if they're not aware of them. And if you've not got a YouTube channel and you want to get stuck in, that's also fine. Leave a comment, and what we'll do is we'll put an email address up, and maybe at the end we'll show photos of everyone's completed builds. So the rules will be very simple. Commercial vehicle starts on the 1st of March, finishes at midnight at the end of the last day of April. So simple as that. Hope you're going to get involved. We look forward to it. Rob will put a video out about what he's building at some point, and when I make a decision, I'll do the same. Until then, thanks for looking in. Go and have a look at your stash and see if you've got something that fits into a commercial vehicle buddy build. Thanks for looking in. Take care. See you soon.